All right, guys. In the second video, we're going to see how to place the API key we generated earlier in OpenRouter inside Aria. The first thing we're going to do is go back to our txt file where we saved the API key. Right-click, select all, and copy it. This way, we don't miss any characters at the end. Sometimes, if the notepad window is too small, we copy part of the text and accidentally leave the rest out. So make sure to always select everything. Once copied, we go directly to our terminal. You'll see the chart open without pairs or anything at first. The first step here is to create a new chart. Let's open a pair, Bitcoin in this case. We'll set a very low time frame and then drag Aria Connector into the chart. Always remember to check this button here, allow automated trading. And when we drag Aria Connector for the first time, watch what happens. After a few seconds, since Aria Connector is a heavy EA, it takes time to load. You'll see a warning appear. The warning will say, please enter your OpenRouter key. That happens because we haven't placed it yet, but in order to place it, we first need Aria Connector dragged into the chart. We go to File, Open Data Folder MQL5, Files. Here you'll notice that when we dragged Aria onto the chart, it created several files. These files don't exist unless ARIA is placed on the chart. That's why it's important to drag it first. These files will be useful later because they allow us to edit the prompts sent to the AIs. But the one we care about now is a simple text file. When we open it, we see the different providers listed: OpenAI, Llama, Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek, Mistral, and Grok. These are all paid providers where you'd need separate keys. In contrast, OpenRouter is the one that allows access to the free AIs. So inside the OpenRouter field, without adding spaces, without pressing enter, nothing at all, we paste the key exactly as we copied it earlier. And here's something important. There must be no spaces between OpenRouter and the colon, no space at the end, no extra characters. We just save the file as it is. Once saved, we can close it and you'll see that the warning disappears in the terminal. What does this mean? It means Aria Connector has recognized the key successfully. From now on, in the Experts tab in Aria Connector, you can always check what's going on. At this stage, there isn't much information yet because nothing is configured beyond the API key. That's why you won't see stats or signals yet. But once configured, the Experts tab will show everything happening in detail. So this is the first step. In the next video, we'll go through the interactive manual and then we'll add the web requests and other settings.